In this comprehensive online course in Google Ads and Analytics, you will have the opportunity to get an overview of Google Ads and how it fits in with what your business and your customers need. Next, you will learn how to create a new Google Ads account, start researching your keywords, which is the basis of all effective ads. No previous experience with Google Ads is required to take this course, and by completing this course, you'll be able to set the factorial setting of a new campaign by organizing your first ad, as well as use Google Ads, statistical reports, and analytics. The second part of the course, we will embark on a transformative journey through the module that unveils the fusion of artificial intelligence with Google Ads and Analytics. We'll discover how AI revolutionizes your campaigns by predicting optimal keywords, bids, and ad placements for maximum conversions. We will uncover the power of AI-driven audience segmentation, allowing you to target the right users with precision. Explore automated A to B testing with AI, refining your ad creatives for exceptional performance.